What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Krea Ai. So Krea Ai is an AI art and image generation platform that lets you create visuals, illustrations, concept art, character designs, backgrounds, and more using text prompts or reference images. It's built for creators who want flexible visual style control and high quality outputs without complex design software. It describes what you want and you can upload an image to guide the style composition, pick filters, presets, style tags, and review results, tweak your prompts, and regenerate until you like it. Krea uses advanced AI models to interpret text and produce detailed visuals. It has high-quality visuals, good customization tools, and an intuitive interface with text-first workflow, easy prompt editing, several preset style options, and quick preview of generation progress. Beginner creators can jump in without feeling overwhelmed. But on the other hand, like all AI art tools, output quality heavily depends on how well you describe what you want. Vague prompts is vague output, and specific prompts gets you better images, so prompt writing skill affects the results. And while Krea may offer a free trial, many advanced generation credits or high-resolution outputs often require a paid subscription or credits. This means unlimited free generation isn't guaranteed, and best quality options are usually paid. Also, some users find that style varies across generations. It can be harder to produce a coherent multi-image set with an identical artistic style. This is common in many AI art tools. For professional studio-level work, human artists are still superior. AI-generated visual assist inspiration rather than replacing creative design entirely. So, Krea AI is a great AI art generation for creators and enthusiasts who want creative control, quality visuals, easy-to-use tools. It may not replace a professional artist for polished final artwork, but it's very effective for idea, concept, drafts, and inspiration, especially if you invest time in crafting precise prompts. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.